Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 76, 77, 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2015 Mercedes C300 Premium Package in a black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include halogen style headlamps, daytime running lights, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, turn signal integrated side mirrors, blind spot assist, heated side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seats, heated front seats, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, automatic headlamps, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel paddle shifters, hands-free steering wheel controls, hands-free calling, hands-free audio controls. This vehicle features attention assist, blind spot assist, collision prevention, and ESP. Multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth audio, and backup camera. Dual zone climate control. Mercedes premium audio system. Remote touchpad. Panoramic sunroof, black leather interior, all of this and much, much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.